Hello, welcome back, BlackFit Gardeners. I am outside today with my little mini-me partner with me. Say hey, Bella. She's too busy being fascinated with the trees outside. But I am going to be harvesting all of this Jamaican sorrel today. I'm just going to cut them down and then cut the bulbs off and get them ready to be freeze-dried for some tea. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get started. All right, y'all, it's getting dark out here, as you can see, so I'm gonna try to do as much as I can with the time that I have, and doing it with my partner. I don't really know how I want to start, so I think I'm gonna just cut each limb off. Yeah, these are some big bulbs on here too. So yeah, I'm gonna just cut each limb off and kind of just, I don't really want to lay it on the ground, but to be honest, they're laying on the ground anyway. So I'm gonna just lay it on the ground while I get everything together. I got Bella turned all the way upside down. My bad, Bella. My bad, girl. Be mindful of you, huh? These are some thick branches too. To be honest, I need me a little small wheelbarrow. That way everything I harvest, I can just put in that and wheel it over to the table to start cutting, picking, and doing whatever I need to do. We'll probably try to get a wheelbarrow for the spring. That'll probably be better. I'm so excited to turn all of this into tea, because I am definitely a tea girl, especially since being pregnant, you know, couldn't have any wine or any type of drink like that. I became a tea girl all the way. I was already enjoying tea, but now I'm like all the way a tea girl. Okay, so all of the sorrel is cut off. Okay, so I laid everything on the ground right here, temporary. So the whole thing has been cut down now. Let me get in a little bit closer. It has been cut down all the way, and now we just have this. I'm just gonna pull this up now. My bad, y'all. They took the camera from me, so I was thrown off. I don't know if can you pull that for me? Say hey, Bella. Legit. Yeah, just pull the what's left. Babe's gonna pull this up for me. I didn't want to pull it while I had Bella on me, because them roots are thick. Look at that. Yeah. Them roots are big, ain't it, girl? Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah.
Definitely grew down in there.
Yeah, it did. You see how big it is, girl? No, you can't see because you're facing me. Color is always in the cut to help. That's massive. Look at that. Lovely. Now I have room to separate some of my collard greens and put over there. This spot, I'm just going to fill in with some collard greens that I have over here. I'm going to show y'all real quick. I planted collard greens over here, but y'all already know how big collard greens get, and these are way too close to each other. So once I finish processing everything over here, I'm going to probably move at least 2 of those collard greens to this area. Still use our apple tree, but that apple tree just don't have to be flowering. Oh. Okay, I got everything on the deck so I can go ahead and start processing it. Rallo's doing his QC on it, checking out the bulbs, make sure everything looks good. Hi, look, Rallo. He's still working. He don't like to talk while he work. But yeah, Faye's still over there working on the deck. And I got my little bowl to fill up. So let's get started. All right, it's getting a little dark, so I'm gonna try to cut a few while I can now, and then I'll just finish back up tomorrow. Bella is getting upset, so hold on, little mama. We are probably going to just end the video here for tonight and just pick back up on tomorrow. Okay, this is the end result. I had to come back out here and finish cutting everything while Daddy has Bella. And we end up getting 2 bowls full of hibiscus tea. So we're just going to freeze dry these and get them ready for some tea. We are getting ready to pop these in for the freeze dryer. We had realized, Miss Penny told us that we had to peel these first before we put them in, because the part in the middle is just the seed. So we're just going through and peeling off the actual tea part. Once we were done peeling, we just went into the kitchen and placed these in the sink so we can lightly rinse them off so we can get them ready for the freeze dryer. After we rinsed them all, we moved them over to a small towel so we can lightly dry it off so they're not too wet when they're going into the dryer.
Take up so much time. Where them levels at?
That's it.
Okay.
Love it.
Cut it on. 160. We're gonna do 135. And then 10 hours. Just like that.
Alright y'all, here is the finished result, all ready to be consumed in the tea. Thank you so much to Peace Smell the Gardener for helping us get these freeze dried and ready to enjoy in our cup of tea. Alright you guys, see you on the next video. Bye guys.